Yeah. Nishmita,
Yes, sir.
you are from which place?
Mangalore, Karnataka.
Oh, good, good, good. What is the degree you have studied?
BSc, Botany, Zoology, Chemistry
Which year did you complete it?
in 2019.
Good. What is your father?
He is working as security guard.
Acha. How many siblings do you have?
Two of them, younger brother and younger sister, both are studying.
Very good. What is your mother?
She is the homemaker.
Good. How come your English communication skill is good? What has helped you improve your communication skill?
Actually, till 7th standard, I was studied in government school. From my 8th, I joined the English medium school, sir.
Very good. Was it made compulsory? You must communicate in English inside the class or any such thing?
Yeah, in school it was compulsory.
It was compulsory. You should communicate in English. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, आपको हिंदी कितना तक आता है? आप हिंदी में अच्छा बोल सकते हैं?
Nahi, sir. Thoda. I
आप
can write
आप
and I
हिंदी
can read.
आप हिंदी पढ़ सकते हैं?
हाँ, पढ़ सकते हैं.
ओहो, अच्छा. लिख सकते हैं?
Yeah, sir. I can write.
अच्छा.
I can understand, but in speaking it's little difficult. Like not fluent
You are not fluent in
Hindi speaking.
अच्छा अच्छा. You are not fluent in Hindi speaking. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
But you can read and write.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is. Did you study some exams and all?
So, which kind of it?
No. For any Pratmika, Madhyama, and all that. Did you study?
No, sir. But in 10th, till 10th, I was studied in Hindi
Acha,
as a subject.
Are you seeing something on screen?
Yes, sir.
Please read that.
That is ECGC Limited, Bharat Sarkar का उद्यम.
What is
यहाँ खोजे टोल फ्री नंबर ग्राहक के लिए हेल्पलाइन. डाउनलोड की that I could not see the letter. Download mobile app, login, then English.
Oh.
Should I read?
Yeah. Abhi pad lijiye. Now what is going on the screen? Now.
कोविड उपयुक्त व्यवहार के लिए कोविड-19 अभियान.
अभी please read.
ECGC ने छोटे निर्वर्तक के लिए लाभ के लिए योजना का अनावरण किया. यहाँ क्लिक करें. ECGC द्वारा दवा का भुगतान के विवरण के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करो. ECGC ज़्यादा और
Good pass.
Thank you, sir.
Nishmita has passed the English test. You have passed the English test. Very good. Now,
thank you.
Very happy. And why are you very keen on getting this job?
The main reason is I was having more interest towards banking sector. I like to communicate with people. When we communicate with people, we learn more things. It will help in banking sector also. And also I like to help people directly. In bank, we can help them directly. Like in some branches, when we visit, we can see old age people or illiterate people. They don't know about basic knowledge about banking sector, so I can help them very effectively. And also I have more interest in banking sector, and also the job stability and career growth is there, so I decided to be work for banking sector.
You can also add one more point. that
Okay, sir.
my family needs my support.
Okay, sir.
Is that not a fact?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That can be told as one of the factors in the middle or in the end, wherever you
Okay.
feel like, but that should be told.
Okay,
because
sir.
because you said your father is only working as a security guard, so
Yeah, yes.
how much of difficulty will be there for him to make both the ends meet?
Oh, yes, sir.
What is the meaning of make both the ends meet?
To look after all the sides of a family.
To manage the expenses within the income.
Okay, sir.
Good, very good. You are a BSc student.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka Bank, 30th June 2022. What is the business position? What is the date on which you have interview, Nishmita?
On 15th September, sir.
Oh, very, very lucky girl. Which time?
At 10:30.
Super. Good time. Acha, Nishmita, first tell
Yes.
me what is the meaning of your name?
I think there is no meaning, sir.
How can it be? दुनिया में कुछ नहीं होता है विदाउट पर्पस. जो कुछ हो रहा है इस सब के लिए कुछ मीनिंग होगा. बिना मीनिंग चलेगा? बोलो. सब चीज. even
Yeah, sir.
even even an ant will not move without purpose.
Yes.
Nishmita meaning is cooperative,
Okay, sir.
sensitive, adaptive, passive, diplomatic, peaceful, warm, excellent partner, kind, balance, friendly, tactful, diplomatic, like that. This is a Kannada name only. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's a Kannada
Yeah.
name. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes.
I just searched in our Google. Our Google uncle is spelling all these things. You see? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very nice. So how you told me there is no meaning for your name, huh? You go and tell this to your mummy. She told you.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Good. So you studied
BSc.
BSc and Karnataka. Have you prepared for my question, namely 30th June 2022 business position? Are you aware?
About quarterly report, no, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
In quarter 1 report, there is an increase of 7.7% profit for Karnataka Bank. That is rupees 114.05 crores. That is ending of June 30. And there is also the gross NPA decreased to 4.03% from 4.84% compared to the previous quarter.
Mhm. No, but important point to be told is important point to be told is about the profit, net profit,
That
total.
is 114.05 crore.
Then what is total deposits?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't recall it right now.
Some 80,000 something and all that. It has been given in the material. Please
Yeah,
go.
sir, I have read it, but now I couldn't recall it. I'll read it again.
I will read it again. Hello.
Hello.
You have to say, I will read it again.
Okay, sir, I'll read it
It is
again.
not read it again. Read is a past tense. I read it. I will
Okay, sir.
read it. Okay.
Read it again. Okay,
Very,
sir.
very good. Very good. So I am leaving Karnataka Bank interview, the Karnataka Bank related questions now. Let me go to other questions. What are
Okay,
your
sir.
hobbies?
My hobbies are gardening, cooking, and solving puzzles in newspaper. That is in Kannada newspaper.
Oh, Kannada news. Which one? Puzzles. Puzzles in Kannada newspaper.
Like that is Padabandha, sir.
That is some
In box they will give some words. We have to.
crossword and all that, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, good. So, have you been able to complete them fully?
Yeah, I will complete almost, except one or two sometimes.
Mhm. Um, yeah, good. What are the
Thank you.
job responsibilities of a bank clerk?
Yeah. The main thing first, whenever the customer come, you have to respond them in a polite manner. However, the situation of the customer may be, sometimes the customer may be in angry or in tensed situation, but we have to always respond them in a polite manner and with a smile on our face. Um, we have to solve their problems in a polite manner, and the role of the job role of the clerk along with this is the passbook issue
Mm,
and um, checkbook issue and giving information about the mutual funds, government schemes,
mm,
life insurance policies for the customer. For
mm,
especially for the rural age people, they do not have any knowledge about these kind of para banking systems, and
mm,
also
mm,
give response in a positive manner, sir.
mm. Not bad, but you should also tell about cash, management of cash, receiving
uh,
of cash, making payment of cash, accepting money for deposits, accepting money for remittances, etc. And also
okay, sir.
help the branch management in deposit mobilization and recovery of NPA.
Recovery, okay, sir.
Good. Tell me a few points about IMPS.
uh, The full form of IMPS is Immediate Payment Service. It is a apex of tool for all the digital bank transaction service like yeah, IMPS, Immediate Payment Service. In this, we can transfer money from through online from one bank account to another bank account or one person to another person.
Mm. Mm. How do we link
20,
bank account with the bank account with GPAY, phone pay and all?
um, First, we have to install Google Pay app from App Store, Play Store.
Mm.
Then we have to
Mm. Tell me.
then we'll get we have to mention our phone number first. Then we will get one OTP. Then we can add our UPI number.
Mm.
Uh, then there will be option for different kinds of bank. We have to select our bank branch, which
Mm.
is linked to that bank account should be linked to our mobile number. Then we'll get OTP. Then it will ask after bank account registration. Then you'll ask for a lock system for the Google Pay. Like we can mention our debit card password or our lock screen password of our mobiles. In this way, we can link our bank account to Google Pay.
Good. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Yeah. See, they are asking like this in the interview. While giving the intro, they asked me whether you are taking any online or offline classes for the interview. They are catching you. What will you tell? Anything? How will you manage?
I will tell the truth only, sir. I
Very,
will
very good.
attending online class.
Very good. Can you please tell me what is a demand draft?
Demand draft is a negotiable instrument which is used to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account.
No. Demand draft is a negotiable instrument, true. It is an instrument issued by one branch
Banks.
of the bank on another branch of the bank, and it is issued in favor of a person or order.
Okay, sir, sure. Thank you.
See, normally they used to ask question, what is the difference between demand draft and check? But here they have asked demand draft and deposit. So what is a fixed deposit?
Fixed deposit is the person who want to save the money in a lump sum amount and get it for in the future days. This kind so they invested in the fixed deposit scheme. That is we have to invest a certain amount of money for a certain period of time, and we'll get the interest in a quarterly or half yearly basis. The time limit of fixed deposit is 7 days to 10 years.
Super. Good.
Thank you, sir.
You're telling very clearly. You're talking very, very clearly as if you are an
Thank you.
experienced person. Are you doing some teaching to others?
No, sir. Now I'm working in an IT company.
ओ ये बोलो ना, ये तो पहले बोला नहीं आपने. हाँ?
Yes,
ओहो.
I
अच्छा. Which IT company?
emphasis.
Oh, Baba. Emphasis, is it a foreign company?
Yeah, we are working for Netherlands clients.
Oh, good. And what is the timing of work for you?
There is both shifts, sir. Morning and sometimes it is a morning shift. Sometimes it is evening shift.
So,
Morning shift will be from 7:30 to 4:30. Evening will be 4:30 to night 1:30.
acha. Today it was morning shift for you?
Yeah, it was morning shift.
Good. Now, they can also ask you this question. Why do you want to change from that company to bank? What is the
Yes, sir.
answer? What is the answer you will give?
Yes, sir. Actually, in 2019, for the first time, I have cleared Karnataka bank exam, but unfortunately, I couldn't clear in the interview. So, to take the responsibility of my family, I have joined a emphasis company. Along with my work, I was preparing for banking exam, especially for Karnataka bank. So, I have decided to join Karnataka bank.
Good. Yeah, for the first time, I think for you only, I suggested for my family requires it. That answer will not apply for you now because you are already working, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So there you may have to change that answer properly. Good.
Okay, sir. I'll change it.
What is the nature of work you are doing in your present organization?
Okay. It is like a customer based process, sir. Like we have to processing order to Netherlands based company. Like for them, DTV or internet or television subscription, we are providing from here. We are processing it through our system. It is not voice based process. It is a non voice based process. Like we are processing the order to them from India.
Very good. Netherlands.
Thank
What is the capital of Netherlands?
Amsterdam.
Who is the important person in Netherlands? Any prime minister, president?
Sorry, sir. I did not prepare in that.
So for which
I will
aspects?
read it.
For which aspects Netherlands is supposed to be on top? I think in terms of say humanity living index and something like that. Some areas, such
Human Development Index.
human development index. Such countries like Netherlands, then Finland, those countries
Yes,
will
sir.
stand on top. Good.
Yes, sir.
Supposing you are given an opportunity to go to Netherlands, will you take it up?
After joining, sorry, after joining Karnataka Bank.
No, before that only.
No, sir, no.
Now, why? Why are you not interested in going to Netherlands? You will get a very good salary, very good package and all that.
No, actually, there is just one organization, sir, but they don't hire Indian people there because our company's emphasis. But we are working for different organizations like Netherlands-based clients or UK-based clients like that.
Acha. Oh,
Uh,
yeah, I know. I know. Maybe. Are you really working for Emphasis or for some franchisee like company?
really working for emphasis itself, but
Oh,
emphasis taking projects from different countries.
oh, different countries, different companies.
Like as in bank, it's para banking is there, no sir.
Yeah,
Same way,
very good.
same way.
Good. Excellent. You are answering very, very well. No problem. Do you have
Thank you, sir.
do you have any questions to ask?
Uh, no, no, sir.
You are answering very, very well. No problem. But there can be questions like say, but this question you cannot answer. You are not prepared about Karnataka Bank. Now, please tell me, I will ask some banking questions. Tell me
Okay, sir.
about the concept of repo rate, why and how it is used by Reserve Bank.
Repo rate is a
Yeah.
amount of money that RBI lends to commercial bank. So this is increased due RBI increases repo rate to control inflation in the country in such a way that when the repo rate increases, loan rate also increases. So that when loan rate increases, a customer is borrowing loan from the bank decreases. So that money supply in the market also decreases. So in that way, inflation will come to some extent, control to some extent.
Mhm. Good. No, no. Instead of telling loan rate, you say loan interest rate.
Okay, sir. Loan interest rate.
Interest rate on loans. Like that, you should tell. Who is the
Okay, sir.
Commerce Minister of India? Hello,
Sorry, sir. Right now I couldn't recall it.
Piyush Goyal.
Okay, sir.
Who is the? Can you name 3, 4 ministers from Karnataka State Cabinet?
Yeah. Sri Ramulu as a minority minister or transport minister, and Basavaraj Bommai CM and finance minister. Minister. Then
Come on.
I couldn't recall the name, sir.
No, I think you are very good in communication. You will be selected for that. आपको हिंदी कैसे हिंदी तो you are able to talk in Hindi, read Hindi also, no problem. So that score
Yes, sir.
you will be selected. And next point is only about Karnataka you should read, about banking you should read, about current affairs also you must read. If necessary, take 1 or 2 days leave and study very well.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I have asked for the leave. I don't know will they give or
No,
sure, sir. I will read it.
very good and best wishes. You are doing very
Thank you,
well.
sir.
There is no need
Thank
for
you, sir.
any subsequent interview also. You can attend the interview with confidence. Send me the list of questions they have asked you.
Okay, sir.
Good job.
Okay. Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
In biodata form, in extracurricular activities, it is necessary to mention it
Yeah, something
because
you have.
I don't have certificates. Can I
Certificate
mention it?
certificate is not required.
Oh,
For
then it's
example,
fine.
you write reading, then dancing, then traveling, or say browsing. Extracurricular activities. What are the various extracurricular activities we have? And it is not necessary you have to put everything, but
Okay.
you must put something in which you have got interest. For example, when you go to when you go to Wikipedia,
Yes, sir.
I am sharing it with you. Just see it.
Okay, sir.
I'm showing it so that it is beneficial for others also. somebody who is watching it will be better. These are the general hobbies. So many hobbies they have given. These are all hobbies.
Okay, sir.
But
I will mention.
out of that, something you can mention and try to develop questions based on that. Supposing you put chess, they will ask you who is the important player in chess in India, who are the recent players who have got prominence, when was the chess tournament conducted recently, who are the world important players, some such questions.
Okay, sir. I will prepare on
Yeah,
that.
supposing you put watching television as your movie, as your hobby. So, which television channels are you watching? And are you watching serials or reality programs? Who are your favorite actors? Who are your favorite directors? What pleasure do you get by watching those things? Something like that. Okay,
Okay, sir. Sure. Okay,
good.
sir.
You are answering very, 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 very well.
Thank you so much, sir.
I will give you 9 out of 10.
Thank you, sir.
And please prepare and attend the interview and send me the list of questions. Thank you.
Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah, sure. Hello,
Very
sir. I have another doubt.
mm,
Sir, actually, in my currently working organization, I have received one award for a suggestion of best idea. Can I mention in that biodata?
yeah. You in the 20th column you can mention it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The 20th column.
Thank you, sir.
And they will ask you what is the idea, for which idea did you give and all that.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
I will tell that.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Basavaraj Didi, next person. Basavaraj Didi.
Yes, sir.
Basavaraj
Yes, sir.
Didi, how are
Good
you?
evening, sir.
How are
I am
you?
fine, sir. I
Very
am fine, sir. How about you?
first class. Basavaraj, you are a commerce, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I'm getting into commerce questions, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me about GST. A few points about GST.
GST is a goods and service tax which came into existence in 1st July 2017 with Amendment Act 201 in 2020 in
Hmm.
2017, sir. And it is imposed on it is like indirect tax, sir.
Acha, 1 minute. 1 minute. I know some of you must have come for the English class, Pooja madam and others, but today I've got so many arrears, I have to cover it up. So I will continue like this up to 8:45, conducting interview for 2 or 3 people. Then we can have a discussion on the interview that has happened today in other places. Yeah, Basavaraj Didi, of course, even here, whatever questions I am asking are only questions that have been sent to us by candidates. Okay. Yeah, Basavaraj, what are the rates of GST?
GST is 0%, 5%, and 28%, sir, and 12%, sir, I guess.
No. 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%.
Okay.
Yeah, 0%.
Okay.
Very good. Basavaraj, how good are you in talking in Hindi?
Sir, I can read but I am not fluent in Hindi, sir. Read and write, sir, I can.
हिंदी पढ़ा है आपने, स्कूल में पढ़ा है?
पढ़ा है सर, मत
ओहो, तब
बातें करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है.
उस प्रॉब्लम में आपको आज today interview they are telling they are giving more importance for Hindi and asking like that. So what is the location preference you are giving, anywhere in India or what?
I didn't fill, sir, I didn't fill till now. Biodata form, sir.
Achha, what are you reading newspaper, today's
Yes, I can
newspaper?
read, sir.
Today's newspaper? No, I am asking today's newspaper. Did you read?
No, sir.
No, sir. Why have you not read today? It is night time. By this time, you must have read newspaper. Not only read newspaper, but also watch television news before coming for the interview.
Okay, sir.
So similarly, when you go for the interview, when you are going by bus or so, watch a news channel and get to know the news. Read
Okay,
English
sir.
news and then go and tell them. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Basavaraj Didi.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What is dividend? What is dividend? Explain it in English and also in Hindi.
Okay, sir. Dividend is a dividend is given on debenture, sir. Return on debenture, sir.
Debenture में नहीं
No.
आएगा. Dividend will not come in debenture. Dividend will come only in respect of shares, equity shares, preference shares. When a company makes profit, they declare dividend. They are asking because they want to know whether you have gone through news to find out how much dividend Karnataka Bank has given this time. Are you aware?
No, sir. I didn't read about it.
I think I have posted in our group. It is 40%. They have declared 40% dividend this time.
Sir.
Okay, so this is what it is. And now the same thing you are supposed to tell in Hindi also. But I think you won't be able to tell it. No problem. Acha ji, see newspaper you are reading. There is news now where two private banks are said to be in the process of merging with each other. What are the two banks about which I am making a reference now? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Did you read? If you have read newspaper, you will know.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know. I don't. I have shared it. Even if you don't read newspaper, if you follow my Telegram channel, you will know it. I have given the new I have given say video also on that. I have given a video. I have given a video. I have posted in say our Telegram also. You people are not reading it, watching it. What to do? 1 minute.
Equinix customers are among the most innovative and influential in the world. They are meeting the demands of rapid digital transformation across every industry and segment. We're bringing their unique stories of success to you. We call this digital leadership.
Yeah. Good morning, candidates. I received a message from one of the candidates who has been selected for probationary officer asking details about a point that merger of Federal Bank with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Sorry, I was honestly not aware of that. Then after that, I searched the net and I came across this. Probably only after seeing this, the candidate has verified me. And yeah. So could you follow this now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, doesn't matter. It's not necessary you should know everything. That's right. Now, some more questions. Now, please tell me, please tell me what is meant by a risk. What are the risks banks are facing?
Okay, sir. I meant to say that types of risk, financial risk, credit risk, market risk, and
so okay, prepare for this. What is accounting?
Accounting is a
what is accounting? You are not prepared on that. Why? It's okay. No,
I read it like today.
but you are not able to tell. No problem. What is NPA?
NPA is non-performing asset, sir, which amount is not returned more
Mm. Mm.
than
What happened today? Today you are getting so much fear. Why you are not able to talk? Normally you were talking very well, na? Today you are not able to talk. It's okay.
Yes, sir,
Which date is your interview?
So 13th, sir.
What?
13th September.
13. So time is there.
Yes,
But
sir.
still, you should not struggle like this. And I think this must be third or fourth interview for you, correct?
No, sir, this is my second interview.
Second interview, acha. Oh,
Sir,
yeah. Why?
I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, may I concentrate only on current affairs or like our graduation subjects, sir, like accounting and
See,
income tax?
for you, it is very easy. For you, graduation subject mainly banking, commerce,
Yes, sir.
income tax, economics. Then current affairs, every day I am posting. Just watch that, read that, that will do.
Okay, sir.
Nobody is reading. I am giving every day one video of current affairs and I am posting in blog. I am giving you link so that you can read. If you can't listen, at least read.
Okay, sir.
Because if you listen only, it is not sufficient because I will be reading only headlines.
Oh, yes, sir.
Whereas what is given at the bottom, you have to read that. Okay? Yeah, you have to read that, then only you can get to know about it. 1 minute. What is today's latest one is this one. Latest, I think I have posted. People are not reading. What to do? 6th September, I have posted. Now, this is what is given as 6th September. Yeah. Are you able to see that?
1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now read the first paragraph and then go. Please read the first paragraph.
Sir.
Read.
Government to onboard on okay. Government to onboard all states on national window system by March 2023. Bring onboard all states of the national single window system by March 2023. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade said NS North, South, West, and North. NSWS seeks to be one-stop digital platform to obtain all requests, all requisite central and state approval required to start a business operation. About 15 states have reportedly integrated with NSWS.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Now we will go to Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi, have I given interview date for you today or you are attending class? Jayalakshmi, I think you are coming for the first time. Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi. Our internet is not all right. Jaya.
Hello.
Jayalakshmi.
Hello.
I think
Hello,
you are attending class for the first time.
Yes, sir.
From where are you coming?
Sir, I'm from Trivandrum in Kerala.
Acha. Good. Which date is your interview?
On the 9th September.
For Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir.
When did you join our group?
Now.
Now only. Today only.
Sir, I'm watching your videos for some days.
Acha. You joined our group only today. Very good. What is your degree?
Completed my graduation in chemistry and industrial chemistry.
Good. Did you ask for interview date for me for mock interview? No. Jayalakshmi,
Excuse me, sir.
have you asked for interview date from me for mock interview?
No, sir.
Oh, no. Acha. Did I send you the materials and all to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. No problem. You tell me if 9th is your interview, which date are you going to take mock interview with me? Hello.
Hello.
Are you interested in taking mock interview? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then which time have you asked for? Are you ready now to answer questions?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I will stop this. Jaya Lakshmi, where is very good. Jaya Lakshmi, what is your number starting 5 numbers? Cell phone number?
813808.
Pardon, 81
3808
808
4287.
1 minute. I will check it up here. Just a minute for 5 minutes. First number you tell me 808, na?
813808.
And 1 minute. 813.
808.
1 minute. 813. Got it. Ending with 887, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Acha. Good. Very good. Today only you are coming for the first time.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, please tell me about yourself, Jaya Lakshmi.
Sir, as you know, I am Jayalakshmi. I'm from Trivandrum in Kerala. I have completed my graduation in chemistry and industrial chemistry from Government College, Karivattam. My hobbies are gardening and cooking. Regarding my family, my father is a retired government servant. My mother is a school teacher, and I have an elder brother who is currently working in Pune.
Very good. Now, when did you complete your degree, please?
Sir, I have completed my graduation in 2019.
After that, what you have been doing? How many other exams have you written?
Immediately after completing my graduation, the Kerala Public Service Commission have now declared the post of a technical assistant of the chemist, and I started preparing for that. And in 2019 last, I wrote the exam, but unfortunately they have cancelled that exam due to some internal issues, and I have lost around 1.5 years. So the BSc recruitments are very slow, and then I shifted for the bank coaching, and I started it in 2020 last, but due to COVID, the classes were online, and offline classes have started in 2021, and then I have prepared for these bank exams, and 6 months back I have selected for the South Indian Bank clerk exam, and I appeared for the interview, but unfortunately I'm not selected.
But don't tell about this. Do not tell about South Indian Bank. You are called for interview, not selected. Okay, please.
Okay, sir.
Because that gives a negative sign.
In the biodata, they are asked whether you appeared for an interview or not, and
you have written that. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
If you have written there, you can tell about that. Nothing wrong. But then now tell me why they did not select you. Which question you could not answer properly in South Indian Bank?
I almost asked for answer all the questions, but I am a little nervous and tensed on that time. That's my first interview.
No, but then see, Kerala, most of the boys and girls will be knowing about my channel because thousands of people are coming to me. And this particular effort for Federal Bank started in 1st of July. This effort of Karnataka Bank started on 30th July. Why did you take so many months, days to come here?
Sir,
Is it that want of money, or is it that you decided not to take it? What was the reason that made you not to come at the last minute?
I came to know about the channel in August last through my friends, from my friends, and then I watched the videos and I
Tell me.
think it is better to take the interview just before that.
See, you came to know of me by the end of August, and that about 4 or 5 days have gone, and now you are coming. Doesn't matter. I am not going to dispute you. But don't you feel you have done a mistake?
Sorry, sir.
No, sorry. No, sorry is not required for me. You know, this candidates like Pooja and all, she's got lot of problems at home. In spite of it, she is training herself in trying to learn more and more new things. By coming here, one, to improve our communication skill. By when you come here, you will learn. You will come to know of some new things which you will not know in the routine course by sitting at home. What is your father? You said he is worked in government servant.
Yes, sir. He is retired from the home department.
Home
He's a joint chemical examiner in chemical examiner's laboratory.
Oh, that is why you opted for BSc chemistry, correct?
No, sir. I like chemistry.
Good, no problem. Good. Do you know Hindi?
Sir, I know how to write and read, okay, but to speak, I will manage it.
आप कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? मेरे से बात करो ना. आपका हॉबीज का बारे में बोलो कुछ.
My hobbies are gardening and cooking.
I never asked you to tell in English. आप हिंदी में बोलना है.
Sorry, sir.
So you are struggling. I don't know if they
Yes, sir.
how they will look into it. I have no idea. But say, in some cases they have been insisting on you must know Hindi and all that. I will leave that portion of that question. I will go into other questions for you. Ready?
Yes, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Please tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses.
My strengths include I have a good, I'm a person having a friendly approach, and I'm easily acclimatized to the given environment very easily. Also, I'm a smart work and a teamwork person.
Good. Okay. Then what are the achievements, if any, made by you in this college?
Excuse me, sir.
What are the achievements
Achievements
in the college?
College, sir, I attended a national level workshop conducted by the Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Research Center, JNCSR Bangalore, and FCBS Trivandrum, which is hosted by the National Institute of Interdisciplinary and National Institute of Interdisciplinary in Science and Technology, Trivandrum. That's a 3 days workshop. I attended it.
Good, very good. Now, please tell me, who is your role model?
Hello, sir.
Who is your role model?
My mother, sir.
What is the quality you would like to learn from her?
She will manage the situations in wisely, and also she is acclimatized to or adaptable to the situations very easily.
Good. Please tell me RTGS expansion what?
It's a real-time growth settlement.
Expand NEFT.
National Electronic Fund Transfer.
Expand IMPS.
Sir, sorry sir, I can't recall it now.
Immediate payment service.
Immediate mobile payment service.
Correct. Immediate mobile payment service. Correct. Immediate mobile payment service. What is expansion of UPI?
Unified payment interfaces.
Very good. What is the present bank rate?
Sir, bank rate 5.15.
Bank rate 5.65.
Oh, sorry sir, MSF bank rate, it's 5.65.
Yeah. Then what is the present repo rate?
It's 5.40.
Very good. Karnataka Bank MD and CEO.
CEO is Sri Mahabaleshwara sir. Is
Then chairman.
Chairman is Pradeep Kumar.
Very good. How much dividend Karnataka Bank has declared this time?
How much dividend?
Dividend.
I don't know, sir.
40%. 40% dividend they have declared. What is the profit made by them this quarter?
Profit, I don't know, sir.
Profit is 114.05. I have given you a link, na? I have given you a link. What is that link? Bitly or something like that. In that, if you click, you will get this page. I think you have not opened that. Have you gone through that? So this is the page you will get. Here lot of things are given, so you must go through this. Here I have also given you ministers of Karnataka, most common interview questions. Karnataka Bank, what is this one? Karnataka Bank, a probable interview questions. Then what is this? Karnataka Bank, this one notice. Then Karnataka Bank, what is this one? This also notice only. Another one, Karnataka Bank. This is the thing. Here you have. Are you seeing the picture?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why
I
have
just
you
gone through this, but now I can say that.
Yeah,
I know that figure 114.04, not 5, it's increased from previous quarter 7.6 or 7.9.
So please go through this, then only you can do it well. They are asking questions in a very serious way. You must be in a position to read and then answer. Now tell me, what is meant by CBS?
Hello, sir. C?
CBS.
Core banking solution.
Yeah, core banking solution. Okay.
It's a core banking solution.
Very good. That's right. Name one or two core banking solutions.
Pinnacle. Pinnacle used by Karnataka Bank, and TCS is banks BA, NCS. It is something banks.
Yeah, Karnataka Bank is using Flex.
Pinnacle, sir.
Pinnacle only. Acha, acha. Not Flex. Pinnacle only. Okay, very good.
Developed by Infosys, sir.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Yeah, Jayalakshmi, I have done my duty. I have given you awareness. I don't know how you are going to do it. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. You be with us in this class so that you can know what are the other questions, type of questions that are asked and all that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. So we have Bandana Kumari with us. Bandana Kumari. Bandana Kumari, your interview is over today or tomorrow?
Sir, no, my interview is over today. Sir, I posted my questions in WhatsApp group, sir, in my WhatsApp.
Acha, 1 minute. I will go through that. Sorry, I didn't have time to go through that because I was in the class. Now, why don't you share it by yourself, your own experience? Please tell
Yes,
us.
sir, of course.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, I reached the interview venue by 9:30.
Yeah.
After that, 10 is the reporting time. We for the document verification, there is I think 4 panels are there. Each panel has 2 members. So first one gentleman came and asked all the students whether you are having your breakfast or not. They were asking. So very gentle behavior. I like him very much because he's like approaching the student very nicely, how to fill the form, about discussing everything, how to fill the form, about document verification, what things are needed. So so my interview is around for 11 or 12 minutes, because I think it was 12 11:45. No, it's 12:45. I reached in the interview panel. There are 2 members are there. I greeted them very nicely with saying good afternoon, sir. And after that, one member is like you, sir. Yeah, resembles your personality. He greeted me nicely with happy face and asked me introduce about yourself. Then I started my introduction. Then he said whether you're taking any classes. He interrupted me while introducing myself. He interrupted in middle of the line. So he asked me whether you're taking online offline interview classes. So I'm saying no, sir. At that time I just want to say like I'm taking, but that time I'm not, because you earlier said do not mention that you are taking classes. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying that sir, I'm not taking any online classes. So
Oh,
then sir
acha.
asked me,
Acha, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, are you the person who has written in hand and sent it to me?
yes sir, I am the person Badna Kumari.
ओ बहुत अच्छा हैंड राइटिंग है। फिर भी हम एक रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको, ये मैटर को आप व्हाट्सएप में टाइप करके एक साथ में भेजो। एक
Sir, I posted that too also, sir.
अच्छा, very good.
Yes.
And in fact, I was using your questions only now, asking all the candidates from questions from that. Very nice. Please tell them your experience. I'll be happy. Please tell.
Sir, the first member asked me why have you prepared for any interview classes earlier. So then I said no, sir, and do not. I go through online YouTube videos, and I practice in front of mirror. So how to behave, like how to be in front of panel. So I don't say your name there. Okay, sir.
No, don't tell. Not required.
Sir,
Yeah.
then he said me, I'm asking this question because you are speaking very well. That's why I'm asking.
If you go through the old videos of yourself, I would have told you on the first day itself you are speaking very well. They don't know. I am not coaching anybody here. It is only whatever ability you have, I am further shaping it so that you can do it well. Anyhow, good. Continue.
Then the second question about demand draft and deposit, and I answered that too very nicely. And after that, he asked me about what is your preference location question. If bank will post it other than this location, what will you do? So then I'll straight point, I'll say no, sir. I'll be not posted anywhere. Anywhere. Sorry, sir. This my location is Bangalore, West Bengal and Jharkhand. I give that reason why I'm writing these states. And after that, he said, if you posted anywhere anywhere left in the this states, what will do? So I said, no, I will not go there, because already I discussed with my family members whether to before choosing this preference. So they accept my answer. After that, they will ask me whether you know about Hindi language or not. Then I said, sir, my mother tongue is Hindi. I am well versed in Hindi, sir. Sir, I also actually, sir, I'm just surprised. They are not asking me Kannada, anything about Kannada language. Like, why, sir?
Because they are happy with Hindi.
So, okay, sir.
Yeah, they are happy with, because they are more, probably they want more people in Hindi areas. Pata nahi, they are very keen about Hindi. They have asked every person about Hindi only, not about Kannada. Yeah, Kannada, they know that you will manage with English in Bengaluru. Supposing you are posted to Bengaluru, you will manage with English. Yeah, continue.
So So while introducing myself, I just slipped my tongue. I think I just said that I also done C programming, so that's why they're asking my what is oops. So I can't answer that part. What is oops?
Oops, yeah. Oops, yeah.
Yes, that point I'll miss it because why I'm just why I'm after I just why I'm saying this C language. I earlier decided I'll not tell them that I am completed my C language also because I'm not prepared for this question.
No,
But my tongue slip and
Vandana, I have told 10 times in the class,
yes, sir.
please don't mention about a thing which you studied 4 or 5 years back, about which you are not comfortable.
Sir, actually, I did mention in the form, but while introducing myself, I just slipped my tongue. I'm not mentioning in the
See,
application form.
actually, the important point, I am also not saying, the important point is we all are, we can remember things only when we do things regularly. आप लोग ये बोलने से you will feel I am making proud about myself. ये point नहीं है, हम तो 9 महीना से इधर है, 10 महीना, 12 महीना. इसका बाद में जब हम मेरा घर जाएंगे, you have to believe me, we may not be knowing which switch is for which light. That is human nature. Whatever things we do, we must be doing continuously, improving our skills. Without, if you are not in touch, you will forget. That is why you faltered there. Doesn't matter. Now go to the next question.
And after that, they'll ask me about my strength and my weakness. And after that, are you aware of news? Are you reading newspaper daily? I said yes, sir. Till yesterday, because today's my interview and the newspaper came in the evening. That's why I'm not aware of the today news only. So just they asked me, but they did not ask me any question about related or news. Just asked me what newspaper you are reading or not. Then the second interview asked me about my name. Why your name is Vandana Kumari? Because this name is very popular in West Bengal and Orissa only, and your hometown is Uttar Pradesh. Then I'll say nicely, sir, this name is given by my uncle, and he's a teaching background, so that's why maybe he probably think of something before giving my name. So then it's a moment, like a laughing moment, I can say. The first interview is laughing. Maybe how can you? He suggested me answer. How can you know? You're too small that time. How you know why someone gave this name? I also laugh with them.
Yeah, no, you could have told. My parents used to tell me after my growing up also. Something like that. No problem. Continue.
Sir, define dividend. I firstly defined that dividend in mathematics in English style, sir. But then then the second interviewer told me, please explain in Hindi too. Then I told them bhag says bhag fail saransh because I know Hindi as well, sir. Sir, the first interview then asked me why you're not pursuing any job. So then I said them, sir, before sir, while pursuing my graduation, I used to give tuition classes to children up to 10 students. Free. I'll provide free coaching, sir, only. So that is not job, but I'll do for my.
Excellent. Congratulations. Good. In fact, I was doing free coaching like this for 1.5 years. Thousands of candidates have gone through me, through State Bank of India, LIC, bolo naam, sab jagah par mera aadmi hai. Many of them I gave it free. Then I started charging because I was unable to tolerate the pressure when I do it free.
I can say probably your charge is so minimal, minimal, so everyone can afford it.
Yeah. Anyhow, even here, some people are not able to afford. There are some cases where people tell me, sir, I don't have. एक लड़का ने क्या किया है, उनका अकाउंट का स्टेटमेंट भेज दिया हमको. मेरा पास 19 रुपया है. हम क्या करेगा? So I give it to him free. Can't help it. So doesn't matter. Now, next question was for you, blockchain. Why did they land up in blockchain?
I don't know, sir. Why they are doing in deep? No, they are going in deep things.
This is a tough question. This is a very tough question.
Blockchain. Said I'm just recalling for 1 to I told them, sir, give me 10 seconds. I want to recall this word because I heard in somewhere.
No, 1 minute. We will take this question. Is there anybody who can talk about blockchain comfortably? Please raise your hand. A few people I have in mind is probably Yashashvi, probably Apurva. Then some of these people, please raise your hand if you are confident of telling. Yeah, Lakshmi, please tell us. Lakshmi, please tell us what is blockchain. This is a very tough question. Yeah.
Sir, it is a public list which containing every transaction of bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Like who is transferring cryptocurrencies to another account, and who is the receiver, and who is the sender. These are all recorded in a public list. That public list is called blockchain.
Acha, are you a computer student?
No, sir. I just read 2 days before.
You are a commerce student, no?
I am BSc student.
BSc. Okay, we will go to Yashashvi. Yashashvi, tell us. Yashashvi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Blockchain is.
SSV Gupta, you have Bandana also from Uttar Pradesh. You are also from Uttar Pradesh. Yeah. Good. Continue.
Yes, sir. Blockchain is the technology which is used in cryptocurrency. What happens is that usually in any network, the server is at one place, it is centralized. But in blockchain, the server is decentralized. It is available everywhere and for everyone. The ledger or all the transactions are in the public, and every person has a key to it. So without the person entering the key, no one can alter any of the information through themselves only.
Anyhow, I think you told something extra than what Lakshmi told. Thank you for telling this. Now we will go to our Bandana. Please tell us, Bandana. Continue, continue, Bandana. You were with blockchain. Next question.
Yes, sir. After that, they said what is risk? And then I said,
ये क्यों पूछा आपको? Because you have not done any commerce program and not.
Yes, sir. I don't know that time why they asking me like question commerce glossary. Second interview is like little tough, rough and tough, sir.
Yeah.
And the first is resembles your nature, like your personality and happy face. Like he just.
I mean, he was more encouraging you, correct?
Yes, sir, the first one is more encouraging me, and his happy face is like boosting me to answer the question. Well, I'm not answering perfectly. He also like helping me to do so.
Very good. Now, risk. Did you tell about credit risk, operational risk, something like that?
No, sir. I'm about to tell them in banking terms in deep, but they have just defined risks. Just defined this. I want to.
No. Oh, simply they ask risk. Risk means some problems we may be facing in situation. For example, flood risk, fire risk. I think they are asking mainly about cyber problems, cyber crimes. Probably that's what they had in mind, because you have done C computer program, you know. So risks due to computer related programs, something like that, cyber crime.
No, sir. Actually, I mentioned the C language in last moment, and the next question is asked by them in earlier.
Oh, अच्छा, doesn't matter. Next question, accounting. ये भी आपको क्यों पूछा? पर कोई बात नहीं. Did you manage this question, accounting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one, statistics probability. ये क्या है?
This is actually I'm mathematics honors, so that's why they're asking me this question also.
That is okay. That is fine. About post graduation भी किया है आपने?
Sir, I'm doing post graduation. I'm in first year, so they asked me what are the subjects, what you are studying. So I'm able to answer that also, sir.
Very good, excellent. I think your interview is good one only. Other things remaining constant, you must be selected. If they are not selected,
yes, sir.
They are only missing some good worker like you. There are some excellent people like Prasanna, Chandni, yourself. They are all really efficient persons, but their calculation may be something else. Depends on that. Apurva. Guru and all
Thank
excel.
you, sir. I want to a big thanks to you to
Yeah.
teaching me.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir,
But
thank you.
no, the
A
first
big
day,
thanks.
the first day itself when you came, you were excellent in communication, and I could only further sharpen it by giving you some more knowledge. Thank you. Yeah, but you know, you have other students will understand. Bandhana is a
Yes, sir.
housewife. Bandhana is a housewife. In spite of it, she has been attending classes regularly. Mostly, I think you would have missed only 3 or 4 days. Correct,
Sir,
Bandhana?
sorry, sir. Sir, I missed 2 classes. One day because I'm having high fever, and the second one for being a, sir, there is a function in a home. There is a Gauri Puja, and I
Acha,
have to,
very good.
that day I have to do fast for 24 hours.
It's
So
fine.
that's why I'm not able to.
Yeah, it's fine. Same thing is with our SSV also. She is very regular in attending classes. She is preparing and attending also. Good. That way, very good. So now, anybody else, any questions you could come to know other than what I have posted in online? But of course, what I have not posted, let me go through. This is for our, what is that girl? Chandini. Chandini. This is not Chandini. This must be some other candidate. I will show you this screen so that you can also see it.
Sir, I have one query, sir.
Yeah. Who is speaking?
Sir, Rajesh, sir.
Yeah, Rajesh, tell me.
Sir, mask is important in interview or no?
No, I don't know. Some candidate posted some message. I posted again in Telegram. I suggest you put a mask and go. Whatever they ask you to do, do. That's all. Because you can't be running for a mask at that place. If they provide, fine. So better wear a mask and go. You are in which state?
Sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Pardon?
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh, you will be attending in Bengaluru, na?
No, sir, Mangalore.
Mangaluru. Whatever it is, you please wear and go.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good. So this is what the interview of a candidate you can see on the screen. Manju Nath. Are you able to see? Manjunath, are you able to see?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah. Who is asking?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, they, while asking question about accounting, sir, they told me like how to write 2 lakh in as something like I don't know, 2 lakh in written accounting. I don't able to that question answerable, sir.
No,
What is that?
no.
Write 2 lakh. How to write 2 lakh in accounting like this, sir?
How to write 2 lakh in accounting?
Something like that, because I'm a non-commerce student, so I don't recall
No,
that
no.
question properly.
Maybe they would have asked how to write, say, 2 lakh money received from bank or money paid to somebody in journal entry. What is the journal entry we will put for that? For example, when you buy a car for 5 lakhs and you are issuing a check favoring the car company, the entry in our books will be debit car account rupees 5 lakhs to bank account rupees 5 lakhs. That is known as journal entry. Understand? These things you will know once you join the bank. You will be writing JAIB examination. In that examination, this is one of the papers, accountancy. Okay, very good. Now, Manjunath is not there. Then who else is there?
Sir.
Yeah. Who is speaking?
Sir, I'm Lakshmi.
Yeah, Lakshmi, tell me.
Sir, some of my friends preparing for resumes. Is this necessary for attending?
Resume is not required. Resume is not required. Because
only biodata.
Yeah, biodata. Bandana Kumari, you please confirm. Is resume they are asking?
No, sir. Only biodata, application form, and interview form.
Correct. Good. No, not needed, Lakshmi.
About documents.
Documents. Bandana Kumari, tell what are the documents that they are asking?
Sir, class 10 result, class 12 result, and graduation all semester result with final result also. That is also called convocation result. Maybe I'm pronouncing wrong, sir. Please correct me.
Yeah. No, pardon.
Convention result, what the pronunciation is, sir? I'm not
Yeah.
recalling.
Convocation.
Convocation. Sorry, sir. Convocation result. Yes, sir. That much only needed.
No. But one thing, Bandana.
In case of your SC, yes, sir.
One candidate posted a message that the 60% mark should be there in all years. Every year you must have scored 60% marks. In 1 year you score 50% marks. Another year you scored 80% marks. The average will not be taken as 60. And every semester or every exam you must have scored 60% marks. That one candidate told. Another person, she has completed the degree by attempting some arrears. So she was having a doubt whether I will be allowed because I have done some failure. So these two questions, there is no. Do you have any answer for this based on your experience?
No, sir. Because in my all semester I have scored very well, above 60%, sir. So they, in my case, there is no chance that they not told anything about my marks related questions.
But
sir.
was there
Because
any
I'm-
discussion with other candidates who were showing books and not met
Sir,
the marksheets?
we are far away from the panel team interview, the one who is checking the verification form. We are far away from them, so I can't hear if anyone told discuss these things.
Oh, acha. I could understand.
Sir, whether if a person is SC or ST, he should have caste certificate also.
Yes. That he must carry that SC ST certificate if you want reservation category. Yeah.
Sir, recent caste certificate or old one also?
The recent one, if you provide the recent one, that will be
better.
More
that
better.
will be better. In fact,
But we'll provide you some time for that also, renewal the documents as well.
Yeah, in IBPS and SBI, you are supposed to have a certificate that has been issued after 1st April 2022 in respect of OBC declaration. Similarly, EWS declaration you must have taken after 1st April 2022. But I don't know about SC ST. SC ST, I think it's an old one only. Na? It is a valid for all. Yeah.
It is permanent caste only. That's
it's
why.
A permanent. There it may not be required. Only this OBC and EWS, it must be dated after 1/4/2022 in respect of IBPS. For Karnataka Bank, no problem. It's only a private sector bank. I don't know whether they are giving reservations, but even then, they may, if yours is not updated, they will ask you to update it later on. That should not be a big problem. Okay, good. Anybody else? Anybody would like to read? Volunteer?
Yes, sir.
Please raise your hand. Raise your hand, please. I'm not getting any hands. Am I getting hands? Nobody is showing. Yeah, where?
Rajesh.
Sir, have raised.
Acha. I don't know why it is not coming. I'm getting now. Rajesh is there. Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Rajesh, after which Soumya, after which Kavya, Pooja. We will go in that order. Now, please read the questions.
Yes, sir. Bangalore interview 3:30 p.m. There were two panelists. My name meaning and questions around my father's name and about family. You look diff on photo. I answered about my diet and questions followed around. How?
No, probably in the photo she may be lean and in sorry, in the photo she may be fat. Now she may be lean, or he may be lean, something like
Yes,
that.
yes.
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
How confident are you? Are you nervous? Were you nervous before coming here? Questions around my community and why my father is civil engineer. Where does my father work? How does bank fraud happen? How to mitigate it? I told them about initiatives of RBI. Then they asked RBI has appointed brand ambassador for the same and told me that Amitabh Bachchan says so during KBL shows. Women's when Women's Day, CA Day. Did you come from Mysore today? Do you have any questions for us?
Very good. Thank you. Now, next person. What is the name I said? Name. Next person and next
Soumya,
person.
sir.
Soumya, then Kavya, then Pooja, then Sheila. See, only girls are interested in reading. Boys, no. Doesn't matter. Now, please read Soumya.
Yes, sir.
No, it may
Yes,
be,
sir.
English may not be correct. Read it as it is given. Don't worry about it. Here it should have been no introduction, something like that, but he has given no introduce yourself question asked. Come on, continue.
Sure, sir. No, introduce yourself. Question asked. Lot of questions about my hobby, that is Carnatic signing.
Huh? What?
Carnatic signing.
No, please read again. What, Soumya? You are disappointing.
Carnatic singing. Sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Please read from the beginning. No, introduce yourself. Start.
No, introduce yourself question asked. Lot of questions about my hobby, that is Carnatic singing.
This is the one for Chandini, one who used to be with us, Chandini, from Chennai girl. Continue.
Yes, sir. Oh, they literally roasted me for the Carnatic singing, which I mentioned in the extracurricular activities. Oh, they were asking questions regarding ragas for 5 minutes, literally about Hindi fluency, passbook, open an account in bank, forward contract. Home minister, is it? Necessary there.
Which one? Home Minister.
Home Minister. TN Commerce Minister.
Tamil Nadu Commerce Minister.
Okay, Tamil Nadu Commerce Minister.
One minute, I will change it. Tamil. Yes. This is one problem, we should not use abbreviations everywhere. Similarly, in interviews, never use abbreviations. Continue.
Okay.
Sir,
about visually challenged.
From Tamil Nadu, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, this student was from Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Okay.
Continue.
About visually challenged and if they can. Deficit financing. Dividend payout of KBL this year. Ratios, current ratio, liquid ratio, debt equality ratio. AC pay check.
Account
pay check.
Babre. What is your main subject? Science?
Yes, sir.
That is why you are struggling. Account payee check. Thank you.
Check.
Thanks, Soumya.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is we will go to Kavya. After that, Pooja. Kavya ji. Where is Kavya? Kavya ji.
Sir.
Kavya ji, you are from which place?
Chikmagalur district, sir, Karnataka.
Achha, what is your degree?
BCom, sir.
BCom. Achha, you had my interview. I conducted an interview for you, na?
Sir. Today, sir.
Today only. See how easily I am forgetting. Chikmagaluru. Koi baat nahi. No problem. Please read.
Panel 3. Bangalore. Questions relating to native. Farm bills. What are the agricultural schemes provided by KBL? Why banking? and questions relating to MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank.
This is what this candidate has sent. Only this much he has sent. This is one problem, where you have not done your interview well, you will not be remembering questions. People like Bandana, who has done the interview enjoying it, they will remember all the questions. That is why they are able to tell it fully. In my experience, I have seen candidates who are able to remember the questions asked properly, they come out successful because they enjoy each and every minute of the interview. So that's what it is. Now continue reading this.
Cryptocurrency, personal questions, HR related questions introduced in other language. My interview.
No. Why? I asked this boy why it was introduced in other languages. It was because it seems he has said that Hindi is known to him, something like that. That is why. Continue.
My interview was over. There were a lot of questions about my graduation and some basic banking awareness questions. They said that.
I think we will skip this because we have already done all this portion. We have already done all these portions, but it is worth going through from this. Please read Karnataka Bank Clerk.
Karnataka Bank Clerk interview experience questions asked for 4 minutes. Reporting time was 1:30, but I came out at 5:30. Duration of interview was 8 to 10 minutes. The questions like about GST, present Indian economy, tagline of Karnataka Bank, completed education in 2019, but why 3 years of gap, about my previous job, about my family, tell me something about SEBI, what is bank according to you, how did you prepare for banking, what is demat account, can you name any 3 board of directors of our bank, about NPA?
Good. So all of you go through the website and get to know the name of some 3 directors. I know one Maithili, I know one Uma Shankar. These 2 names I remember. Okay. Now.
Mr. Pradeep Kumar also, Uma Shankar and Balkrishnan and MS Mahabaleshwaram MS.
Yeah. And there is one justice also. Some justice is also. That doesn't matter. They want 3, 4. So remember, besides MD and chairman, you remember 3 names better. Next, Kavya.
A.K. Chandrasekhar.
A.K. Chandrasekhar. Correct. Thank you. After Kavya, Pooja. Pooja ji. Pooja madam, where are you? Yeah. Pooja madam. Come. Pooja madam.
No introduction.
No introduction.
First, have you given other exams conducted by IBPS? Answer honestly yes. If you get selected somewhere else, you will leave our bank.
Oh, this is young Pooja, na? Or you are unmarried Pooja, na? Or married?
Yes.
Unmarried Pooja. Come on. Because 2, 3 Poojas and same names are there. Continue. If you get selected.
Turnover of a Karnataka bank. I did not remember, but I told them that in net profit for the quarter and last year net profit. Work experience in ICICI. Explained everything, why I left, what I did, etc. Blue chip companies. I have preferred not to answer because I did not know it detail.
Blue chip companies means I have already explained in one video. It is companies which are doing very well in terms of turnover and profit and all that. Exact figures you can get it in Google. I have told in one video. Continue.
Owners of a Karnataka bank, chairman and MD and CEO, and are they owners of the bank?
They are
RTGS
not, they are not the only owners of the bank. All others are there. Yeah, continue.
RTGS and NEFT full form and limit. Anywhere posting in India. Knowledge of banking software used for financial system. Well versed with that as per my experience. Then they ended the interview and I said thank you with my smiling face and left the interview room.
Very good. Nandri. Thank you. Next is, who is going to read next after Pooja? Oh, another puja. C puja. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is senior puja. Now continue. Start from here. Yeah.
My interview panel two panel members were there. Question asked was National Education Policy, Education Minister. Since I had attached computer certificate, they asked me how to merge two documents. INS Vikrant, government introduced something named Lakshmi. Do you know about it?
No. Actually, no. I think this is not Lakshmi. It must be some Shri program. Shri Prime Minister has introduced some Shri program. 14,500 schools. Something is being done. I have already prepared that one. In our news. 1 minute. In our everyday news, I have covered this. I will come to that. Hold on. Because current affairs, just a minute. Current affairs September, I think it is there in yesterday's. Just a minute, hold on. Puja, just a minute. Kavita is coming. So this is the government on board Himachal COI. Acha, not in this one. It must be in previous one. 1 minute. CA August, current affairs snippet September. Just a minute. Now I will stop that showing and I will show you this. See, this is how I give you. You are not able to see this. This is how I prepare every day and post it and give it to you. You are supposed to go through that. And here, the point I want to stress maybe here, it is on 4th and 5th, Rajnath Singh to visit Mongolia, central government, female staff, not this one. In some other place, I read very clearly. Anybody is remembering about that? Prime Minister doing something. Anybody is remembering? Yeah, doesn't matter. So it was not that say it was not Lakshmi, it was Shri, some Shri type of programs. Now Pooja, you continue with another. Yeah, you are here. 5th question. Yeah. Pooja, a page. Are you not getting it, Acha? Sorry. Now are you getting this one? Yeah. Yeah, please read number 5. Are you seeing it now, Pooja?
Yes, sir. Another question relating to gap in education. Maximum duration, I guess it was 5 minutes. One more question was how you will build relationships with peers and how will you handle in stressful situation.
Super. Now continue, Pooja. I am from MCOM background.
I am from MCOM background. Panel 1, balance sheet meaning, P&L account meaning, income and expenditure statement, goodwill meaning, intangible asset.
Panel 2.
Panel 2, number of KBL branches, number of employees in KBL, hobbies, strengths, some MCOM related questions, digi banking, ATM functions. Around 10 minutes it was.
Very good. Thank you. So even this boy has not done, boy or girl has not done the interview enjoying it. You see, simply she has or he has put some MCOM related question. That means you have not enjoyed the question, enjoyed the interview. So it should not be so. You must enjoy each and every question they are asking. Now, next will be Ravi. Ravi, where are you? After Ravi, Shilavati. After Ravi, Shilavati. Ravi, continue. Strength.
Yes.
Introduction.
Introduction. After that, strength, weakness. As a customer, what do you like in Karnataka Bank? Hindi, artificial intelligence, 10 to 12 minutes.
Even this boy has not done the interview well. So 10 to 12 minutes they have talked means they must have asked many more questions. And because he was confused, he has forgotten the questions. Continue.
2019 gap, B mechanical.
Continue. Hello.
Unicorn tech. Hello.
Continue.
Unicorn Bank FinTech about startup IRDAI credit card.
That's all. Thank you. Then I'll go to the next person. Person is Sheelavati, followed by Nitish. Sheelavati, let me come to you. Sheelavati, you are from which background? What is your degree?
I am from engineering. B. Engineering bank. B.
See, is this the answer one is supposed to give, Sheelavati? You have been watching videos for the last 30 days. Here you are supposed to tell me B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, BE Computer Science.
Electronics and communications, sir.
You must tell it fully. Understand? Yeah,
yes,
answer. Continue, sorry. Continue.
I am from MBA background. Balance sheet format, about family background, goodwill meaning, current asset, number of KBL branches in Karnataka.
Acha.
What?
This one, what is the answer? Because I searched in net website, I couldn't get it. Anybody knows? Bandhana.
879 branches.
What is the answer?
897 branches.
890. No, sir. In Karnataka, there are 500.
558.
500. 550.
No, 558. They provide the ATM facility. 550.
No.
No, it's in Karnataka. They have asked branches in Karnataka.
Yeah.
580.
580.
I think so it's 879, sir, because I Googled in their website.
Listen, 879 is branches all over India. 22
so in Karnataka,
states.
there is only 102 branches, sir.
Who said?
So in Karnataka, sir, only.
No. Must be 500 plus. Are bhai?
Yeah.
Yeah. 102 girl. What is your name? 102
Vandana, sir.
Vandana, you are totally wrong. अरे भाई उनको तो बहुत branches है. बहुत branches. Now anyhow, I don't know. I think I should write to some boy working in Karnataka Bank to asking this question. Anyhow, yeah. Please try. Yeah, it must be more than 500. And it doesn't matter. This, let us hope this they will not ask you this question. Continue reading. What is
sovereign gold bond? About share equity.
Listen, in fact, I was never expecting this question from a bank like Karnataka Bank, private sector bank, because sovereign gold bond, it is a government scheme, RBI scheme, whereby money is collected. Instead of gold, you can have it. So please go through the details of this scheme. If it is there in Karnataka Bank, you see, otherwise it must be there. Otherwise, go to State Bank of India, you will get sovereign gold bond scheme. Details you please read. Yeah. About share equity. Continue.
About share equity, types of liabilities, question related to equity. It was around 6 to 7 minutes.
It was only 6 to 7 minutes. Yeah, it differs, in fact, one boy has sent a message to me today. Sir, they talked to me only for 5 minutes. What will they learn about me from this, whether they will select? But it has happened in Guwahati in Federal Bank. 19 boys, all of them were boys and girls, all of them interviewed only for 5 minutes each, but out of that they selected 2. But in the end, it turned out to be both of them are people with experience. Say, having worked in HDFC, ICICI and all that. In that particular place, I'm mentioning about that Guwahati only because only from that center, a sort of message came. Sir, they are not conducting it seriously. They are just talking for 5 minutes. They are asking, what is your name? What is my name? And then they are sending out. So that is why I'm telling you this. Very good. Now we will go to the next person. It will be our Shilavati over, followed by Nitish and then Snega. Nitish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My name is, sorry, sir. I am from MCOM background. Balance sheet meaning, P&L account meaning, income and expenditure statement, goodwill meaning, intangible asset.
I think we have studied this earlier. I think I have repeated it probably. While copying, I must have copied this 2 times. Maybe it's a mistake. Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, after my 12th, I have 5 years of gap, sir. I mean, after my 10th.
After 10th, 5 years?
Yes, sir. I did my 11th and 12th in science background. But I couldn't clear my 12th, sir. So I wrote again after 1 year. And sir, after that, I started from commerce stream from 11th, 12th.
Everywhere you have scored more than 60%?
82%, sir, in 12th.
Acha, acha. 10th?
10th, 63%.
Okay. Degree?
Degree is 71, sir. Actually, it's 7.5 CGPA, sir.
Very no.
I didn't cut.
The only thing is they will take a long time in spending time with you. Why there was a gap and all that. You have to talk to them explaining about it.
So okay. Should I tell the truth, sir? Like
what was the truth?
I couldn't clear.
What was the truth?
Like I couldn't qualify for 12th, sir, in math background.
Achha, 5 years you wrote the same exam.
Not 5 years, sir. First 2 years, sir, that is 11th and 12th. At 12th, I couldn't qualify. So I wrote it and again in next year. After that, I changed my stream to commerce, sir.
No.
11th and 12th, I did it from commerce.
How it can be 5 years gap?
Sir, 11th, 12th, sir. And 1 year gap.
Only 1 year? 1 year gap?
Again, no, sir. First 11th, 12th in science background, sir.
Okay.
After that, 1 year gap.
Okay.
And then again, I started from 11th and 12th in commerce.
Bab, first boy, come on, let me see you, Baba. I want to see your face. Come on. Come. Are Baba, I have first time somebody. Come on, where are you? Oh, Baba. Sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar, sir.
I have never come across a candidate doing 11th and 12th 2 times.
Yes, sir. One in science background and another one in commerce.
No, but you could have simply taken commerce after +2 in our degree.
Yes, sir.
Here it is allowed. I don't know. In other states it's allowed or not. Doesn't matter. Oh, Baba, we must put a statue for you. Itna patient. This much patience you studied 11th and 12th again. You will have interesting discussions with them. Spend some. How old are you now? How old are you?
So I'm 25. 25.
25 only. What is your father?
So he's an ex-serviceman, sir.
I think I conducted interview for you. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, probably.
You conducted on WhatsApp.
Because that is why you wanted to come on WhatsApp only.
Yes, sir.
No. Because I was not having biodata with me, I could not ask this question. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Forget about it. You can't change things. What has happened is happened.
Yes,
now
sir. It happened.
Look about what you are going to, how you are going to face it in future.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry.
But if they ask, what would I say, sir?
But God has really punished you
Yes, sir.
by putting you into all this problem. It's okay. But
Yes,
there are many who are successful in life without education also. It depends how you try to make it. Anyhow, Nitish, you were reading now.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, if they ask, should I tell this, sir?
I
Like
have
the whole story.
I have no answer. You know, many boys come and ask me, many boys and girls also. They tell, sir, I have failed in this once, twice. What can I do? You tell what has really happened. You can't change it. And honestly, I cannot estimate what will be received by the interviewers in a favorable manner, because it will depend upon the situation and circumstances, so many things. So any amount of my guiding you is not going to help you in this. If you ask me what is the definition of banking, I can tell you. If you ask me what is the definition, number of branches in Karnataka Bank, I can tell you. But I can't tell such an ambiguous questions, answers. How can many boys and girls ask me, sir, how can I bridge the gap? Should we build some Setu bridge? It is not possible.
Yes, sir.
So that's what it is. So doesn't matter. Now we will go into this. Good. Today we have Karnataka Bank. Are you getting it on the screen? Yeah.
No, sir, I'm not getting.
Now you will get it. Yeah. This also over. This one not over. Yes, ask. Yes, please.
So sorry
Yes,
to interrupt.
actually,
Yeah. What first one girl, next one boy.
Uh,
Girl
sir,
first.
no, sir. So total Karnataka Bank branches in Karnataka, sir, 578, sir.
Thank you. Who is telling this?
Kavya, sir.
Kavya. So in interview we will tell, as per Kavya, 578 branches.
No, sir, it is showing in Google, sir.
Just joking. Just joking. Don't worry. Thank you. Thanks for your interest. I appreciate you, Kavya.
Sir, and also it is showing that total branches is 919. Is that true?
Acha,
919.
919. That is wrong.
919.
No. That is somewhere we read it 890 something or 880. Something.
Yes, sir, 890.
890. Kavya, you are that emphasis girl, na? Hello? Kavya?
Sir.
Are you that emphasis girl? Emphasis girl working in emphasis company? No.
No, sir.
Oh, maybe there is another very intelligent girl, emphasis BSc, and she took interview today very nicely. I have not posted anything online because I am always online with you here. Yeah. Now, who has to read? Who was reading?
Yes, sir, me, Nitish.
Yeah, Nitish, continue reading this. Actually,
they didn't even ask me to introduce myself. All they were asking from my biodata, like from language known, only if you are very fluent in that, then only you should mention it. Questions related to my extracurriculum, questions related to my sports mentioned in biodata. Other than this, as I am from Tanjore, they asked me population in Tanjore, about the district. First, they asked me about my education. Why you didn't do PG? What is banking? Who regulate banking? What is IRDA? Expand IRDA, GST revenue. Why government collect tax? What will they do with the tax money? What is mobile banking? What bank I am having account? Which bank I am having account? How do we link bank account to Google Pay, Phone Pay, and all? How I learn Hindi and Telugu? Which state and all I traveled as my dad was in army. They talked to me for some time in Punjabi and Hindi. As I was fluent in that, they appreciated me. Some questions on choice to job selection, location. At last they said, I am very much confident and courageous. Very good.
Very good. That boy was told very good. Thank you. Now we will go to After Nitish, Anusha. Anusha ji.
Yes, sir.
Anusha is from which place?
Sir, I am from Karnataka, sir.
Acha, acha. Anusha. Yeah, please start from here. I think maybe not repeated. Continue.
Family background. As a mechanical engineer, what will you contribute to the bank? What is a bank according to you? What are other services offered other than deposits and loans? Will you work anywhere in India? Where do you have your account? Which is the nearest Karnataka bank branch near your home? Any questions for us?
That's all. Oh, very simple interview. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, I have a query, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, tomorrow my mock interview is held at 7:30 p.m., sir.
Tomorrow means my 7:30 p.m. What is your
Yes, sir.
what is your number starting with 7019?
Yes, sir. 70198.
Okay, no, don't tell fully. Okay. Yes, yes, no problem. I will send you the link for the class. Class link is different. I will send you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So it was very nice. We had so much discussions.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I
Sorry
know
to
Hindi.
disturb, sir.
Pardon? Soumya?
Hello, sir. This is Soumya.
Yeah. Tell me, Soumya.
Am I audible?
Soumya, your internet
Hello.
is not.
Am I audible, sir?
Your internet is not good. What do you want to ask?
Sir, am I audible now?
Now, okay. Tell me.
Sir, one girl, Kavya, has told there are 919 branches, right?
She told now. Yeah.
Yes, sir. From one link, I got that 919, and they have completely showed state-wise branches, sir.
Acha. Oh, you please post that link in our Telegram page.
Yeah, sir.
Shall I post here, sir?
Not here.
In chat box.
Chat box. No. Okay, you put it.
Sure, sir.
I have to copy it and post it there. Please.
Yes, sir. I have posted.
Posted.
Yes, sir.
Does not come now.
Yes, sir. It is in the group.
It is there.
It is in chat box, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, should I post in WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Yeah. WhatsApp. You
Yes,
give.
sir. I will.
Yeah. Number. You first 5 numbers. Yours. Tell me. I will wait for it.
7795.
Okay. 7795. Yeah. Come. Oh, this Soumya.
Yes, sir. I have sent.
I know.
Yes.
This Soumya, I know.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nandihali.
Yeah. Nandiyal Soumya. Very, very participative, very much devoted. Good. Yeah. I posted it there. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Best wishes. Anything else? We will meet tomorrow as usual. Silavati, any question?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it mandatory to carry MOC certificate for temporary jobs also?
I don't think so. Are you going to tell about this job?
Yes, sir. I am going to mention it on biodata form.
How many months are you working there?
For 2 months.
What is it a big company or a small company?
No, sir, it is not a company. It is like college, sir. Guest faculty there.
Yeah, you can. Because have they given you appointment order? They would not have given, huh?
No, sir. No, they have not.
So you tell them there is no appointment order. When there is no appointment order, there is no need for any NOC also. But this point you please mention in point number 20, column number 20.
Okay, sir.
Not under work experience.
Okay, sir.
Then this will not have much negative ideas. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Nagendra, what is the question you have? Nagendra. Nagendra Madhyastha.
Hello, sir. Audible, right?
Yeah, now audible. Tell me.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Actually, presently I'm working in an one IT company. Shall I take that NOC certificate?
But I don't think they will give you. Will they give you?
No, sir, because I'm not sure, right? Will I get the job in Karnataka Bank?
But,
So I didn't inform.
Yeah, have they, Karnataka Bank, are they asking for NOC? Have they told you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Then don't
Just
ask.
only offer letter they mentioned.
No, not that one. In the Karnataka Bank interview letter, have they asked you for NOC from private employers? Also, normally NOC is taken only from government. When we go for IBPS interview, they will ask NOC only from government employees. For private sector employees, it is not needed.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Best.
got it.
Thank you. Best wishes. Bye.
Okay. Yeah, sir.
Bye.